Can you introduce yourself and your role at Reeco Automation?
Hello, my name is Owen. I'm a mechanical apprentice here at Reeco. My role involves milling parts on the milling machine, the lathe and the CNC machine. I also build heads with assembly, help with the conveyors and general bits and bobs around the workshop.
What kind of skills have you learned since started your apprenticeship?
Since starting my apprenticeship, I've learned a variety of skills such as milling and lathe work. I enjoy making the actual robot heads themselves because they're quite a difficult task, and once you've made them, it's quite proud. Time management, that's a good skill I've learned here. I've had to make sure I get all the heads done on time. And then I'd say my confidence, because working in a team, everyone's trusted in me and it's just been really nice.
How does your work contribute to Reeco Automation's projects or clients?
Well, I mainly build the heads for the robots, so the heads is pretty crucial to the work that we do. Without that, you can't do it, so it's pretty important.
What kind of support have you received from your mentors or team?
Rob and the team have been really good. When I first came here, I had little to none experience on all these machines, and they were very patient with me, teaching me and making sure I was comfortable using them.
How has the apprenticeship helped you grow personally and professionally?
The knowledge I've gained in college has helped me in work here because I know how to do it. Basically, I've learned and I'm using the practical side in work. And it also goes both ways because what I learn in work also helps what I'm doing in college, like from the theory-wise, because I can kind of link it back and forth.
What opportunities do you see ahead because of your experience?
The experience I've gained here has been very helpful. I've been pretty much chucked in. All the work I've done is really practical and not a lot of theory, which is what I love. This is what I want to do, and the skills I've learned are very helpful.
Why do you think the apprenticeships are important in today's workforce?
I think they're very important. It gives that hands-on experience at a really young age, and you can use them skills going forward. It gives you a sort of discipline towards your work, and it sets you up for life.
What makes Reeco Automation a great place to learn and grow?
When I first came in, the team really welcomed me in and I felt a part of a really strong group. What makes it good to learn is just I'm hands-on with everything, on all the machinery really, and then I'm also helping out my colleagues. Colleagues are helping me. It's a really good group of people, and I think what we can achieve together is something really good.